RCAT was trending in the session of yesterday, Boxing Day 2025, largely down to the sanctions China imposed on the company, a move many investors are interpreting as an unexpected badge of honor. And within the community of traders and investors, the sanctions are being framed as implicit validation that the company has become a serious player in the US defense ecosystem, important enough to appear on China's radar at a time of heightened geopolitical tension. Okay, so all in all, to sum up everything, the combination of geopolitical attention, policy tailwinds, blue listed tech, and expanded or expanding unmanned system capabilities has placed the company firmly in the spotlight, with many watching closely for the next round of federal and allied procurement announcements. If you want to read more, have a look in the description box below. In that session, it lost at 8.69%. Okay, so the stock has that was that the second straight session of losses for the stock? Yeah, it was the second straight session of losses for the stock. It picked up a bounce. As a matter of fact, it picked up a bounce. It's just been consolidating with a pretty bullish bias. So far, the lows are getting higher. You can see here, especially from okay, let's just say it's getting higher. Going by what we have here on the 17th, but we don't exactly know what's going to happen. The algo seems to be suggesting that this weakness might remain in place up till the 13th of January. So all in all, it's just saying it's going to be a consolidation at least up till the 9th of February. Okay, projections are currently saying 9.95, 11.12, 11.85 as of Boxing Day. But before then, it had more ambitious projections as high as 17. Let's see, it had as high as it had as high as 12.91, 15.64, 17.32. Okay, let's have a look at its momentum and see what it's trying to indicate. Trying to no, not the market grid. Okay, we could just have a look at the market grid. It gives us a range of prices. It's indicating between 9.81 and 8.31. So the stock is just right outside of that grid. We could just quickly glance at its 4-hour chart to see what it's going to tell us. On the 4-hour chart here, it is saying the extrapolation is saying that at least up till the 2nd of January, we should expect strength. Whereas on the daily chart, it's saying weakness, but they could still align somehow, given that the 4-hour chart prints every 4 hours, even in the post market session, it's trading, and the daily chart only prints in the regular session. That's what it prints. Yeah, so we have a range of between 8.66 and 7.93. So here it is in between the resistance and the supports. Okay, I think with a slight bearish bias. So 8.21 is something that can still print. Okay, let's see what we have in terms of projections here. We have 8.33, that is the highest. That's the highest. Then we have 6.36, 6.84, and 7.62. Let's return to the daily chart and see what the momentum is going to tell us. Let's see what the 10 momentum of its 10-day moving average. Okay, it is just pretty much neutral, going all the way towards the 9th of February, the 6th of February, yeah, all the way towards 6th of February. But within all of that, it's actually saying that momentum might actually pick up slightly by Monday the 29th, and may remain elevated at least up till the 5th of January. Okay, whereas the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that lower prices may continue to print, and also I think this momentum here is aligning with what we have on a 4-hour chart in terms of the extrapolation of its price. Let's have a look again and see how it aligns, how the two momentums align. Yeah, momentum here, yeah, pretty much aligning. Yes, it's okay. Well, here it's not saying it's going to pick up. It's here it's actually saying we may not see it. It's actually saying, well, at least towards the 30th, it's indicating that yeah, it might pick up as well, but it's just going to remain volatile. Well, as a matter of fact, it's actually saying it's going to pick up, and the stock might break through its 10 period moving average by Tuesday the 30th, and is expected to remain strong at least up to the 5th of January. Okay, well, it's at least at here the extrapolations align. The algos here on this on the momentum aligns with the extrapolation on of its price, and to some extent, what we have on the momentum for its on its daily chart. So we will just see how all of this will pan out. Okay, so have a look and see what you make of RCAT, and thank you very much for watching this video.